Hi everyone, welcome back to iGeekHacks, your home for quick and smart Excel tips and tricks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Excel, whether you want to edit or fully switch your interface to another language. So let's jump right in. First, let's start with the editing language, the one Excel uses for spelling, autocorrects, and typing tools. Click on File in the top left corner. Select Options at the bottom of the menu. Choose Language on the left side. These are your Excel language settings. Here you can see your current editing language. To add a new one, click Add a language. Choose the language you want, for example, French, Spanish, Arabic, or German. Click Add, then make sure it shows as enabled or default. If it says not enabled, Excel may ask you to download a language pack. Just click the link and follow the steps. Next, let's change the interface language, the one Excel uses for the ribbon, menus, buttons, and messages. Still in the same language window, look for Office Display Language at the top. Choose the language you want from the list, for example French. Click Set as Preferred. You might need to restart Excel for the change to take effect. To make sure everything is updated, close Excel, open it again. Your menus, buttons, and typing tools should now appear in the language you selected. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.